Can you tell me what all those numbers are? What's that? 1,
2, 3, 1, 4, 3, 4, 5.
Yep. Okay. So pick a number and put some ghosts on it. What number is that?
4.
Can you put 4 ghosts on there? And count them when you put them down.
4. 1, 2, 3.
How many more do you need?
Okay, count them again. Wait. Is that right?
Yes.
No, count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, but that's only 4. So what do we need to do to make that 4? No. You need to take one of those away? There you go. Okay. What number is this?
1.
Can you put 1 ghost on there?
1,
What number is that?
2.
Okay. How many ghosts do you need?
How many
Nope, that's
go?
2. Here's 3. You want to put 3 ghosts on there? How many do you have there?
It's not 2.
Oh. Is that right?
Yes.
Count them again.
1, 2, 3, 3.
Do you have an extra one there?
Yes.
Well, what should we do with them? What number is that?
5.
Can you put 5 ghosts there?
5. If I hit,
Huh?
what sounds do they say?
Boo.
Boo? They say boo? Those are ghosts.
How many ghosts are on there? What number is that?
5. Really?
Yay! Wait, you had it. Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep, good job.
Yay, you did your homework. Good girl.